minutes after we looked at how VMB has changed in terms of the rankings, right? So how to get a place at Google India, or how to get placed at Google India, the both keywords, we are ranking in the number first position here, guys. Okay, in the first position, in the sense it's the first page. Okay, but we are ranking here in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th position. Okay, we're ranking in the 12th position. Exactly, but the first page we are ranking. Okay, so that is how we are ranking right now. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So that's how our ranking is. Okay, and this is all the second page rankings and all this stuff. But we are ranking in the first page. When you see this, okay, even we are ranking for a keyword called "How to get a job at Google."
Yeah.
Okay, how to get a job at Google. Okay, we are ranking here in the first page. Okay, of around whatever results it is. Okay, this is the second page, but in the first page we are ranking how to get a job at Google. We are ranking for that keyword also. Okay, guys. So we're ranking for this also. Okay. Pretty amazing. So that's about VMB. How VMB will be useful for you to rank a lot of keywords, right? So that's how it'll work. And typically, you can use VMB and you can use all the softwares to skyrocket your rank. And one more thing I wanted to show them was, the keyword. Okay, the keyword which the keywords which used to be redirected and all this stuff, right? So pretty good. That became redirected, become 281. It was 100 and what, Charanya? 138 whatever, and it became 281 here. And typically that's how ad hacker works. I hope you enjoyed this mind-blowing, amazing, incredible course, ads hacker, to hack your advertising campaigns forever. I hope Charanya also showed her insights and delighted you to the core in terms of your knowledge. Correct, Charanya?
Yeah, right.
And bye-bye from Marketing Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan and
Saranya.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. See you in another course very, very soon. Oh, who knows? In future, we may take Ads Hacker 2.0 and that also may be there. Who knows, right? It can be a sequel.
Yeah. Right.
Let's see regarding the future. But for now, practice whatever you have learned in this course, okay? That can take you to success and great heights. Bye-bye.